ready to roll, Grinders?
Let's do it, Lil Rob.
Move! You move it!
Only fools sneak up on a street ninja.
You gotta be more careful in my pumpkin patch. You never know what strange things could happen. Candy corn?
If it isn't Lil Glob and the Wild Losers. Those are the ugliest Halloween costumes I've ever seen. Oh, wait! You're not wearing costumes, are you?
Big talk from a dude pulling a red wagon.
Hang tight, Meaty. Stuffer ain't worth the fleas on your butt.
What you got against the fleas on my butt?
Let's just say they like me a whole lot more than I like them.
If you want pumpkins, I got sugar pumpkins, winter pumpkins, harvest pumpkins.
We're looking for something amazing! What is that?
You don't want no part of that, Sonny. That there is the cursed pumpkin of Dia de los Diablitos.
I've always wanted a cursed pumpkin.
Be warned, boy, that their pumpkin holds the tortured screams of 1,000 burning souls.
Awesome! Come on, Grinders. Let's go make a jack-o'-lantern. Forget this whack-o'-lantern.
Ha ha! We'll see who makes a better Pumpkinhead. Pumpkinhead!
I'd say you.
Oh, I've got pumpkin seeds up my nose!
You sure this is a good idea, Jackknife? What if it really is cursed?
My mama says only one way to find out.
If something evil comes out of that thing, you're on your own.
Man, you got pumpkin blood on my kicks. You better hope this thing washes off.
Oh, man. What's that smell?
Don't blame the dog.
Brains. Must eat brains.
There you go. Kicks all clean. Oh, right back into the pumpkin guts. Man, this is not happening.
Eat brains.
What the? I'll leave the room for 2 minutes, and you go and get yourself turned into zombies? That is so wrong. Man, get your zombie hands off of me. There ain't no way you eating this skater.
It's Dan.
Oh, Robert, you look scarier than leftover potato salad. You boys going to a costume party?
Brains.
Mom, Dad, Mary, Kate, throw you mamas. Worst costumes ever, skate weenies.
Oh, Denise. No brains.
Hello, Robert. Before you go rushing off to your costume party, you could spend a little time with me and your mother, you know. So, what's new with you boys?
Hey, Night of the Living Losers! Those are the most rad, awful Halloween-y costumes I've ever seen.
Brains.
Oh, yeah? Well, anyone could do that. Lackey, tear off your arms!
But, Mr. Stubford, sir, I can't pull off my arms.
Fine, then I'll do it myself.
Stuffer.
Yeah?
Stuffer.
What?
Stuffer.
Can't you say anything else?
We want your brains.
Ha! I knew you'd finally see I'm the brains here. Do you admit that I'm the better skater? I'll bet you want me to be the leader of the Wild Grinders, too. Ha! I'll take that as a yes.
Nah, nah, nah.
Okay, that's a little weird. Being the leader of the Wild Grinders has been radly awesome. But I was thinking of changing the name to something cooler and more rad-like. The Wild Stubbies.
Oh.
I knew you'd like it. Give it up to me high! And as the leader of the Wild Stubbies, I want to thank you guys for my raddest, most awesome, cool sleeping bag. Do you dudes smell mustard and relish? Huh, what are you trying to do? Eat me?
Maybe.
Wait! You've been real zombies this whole time? Is that the only reason you let me hang out with you? So you can eat me?
Maybe.
Well, fine then. I'm out of here. Okay, you can nibble a finger, but I'm still the leader of the Wild Stubbies. I said nibble! I think I liked it better when you guys hated me.
Skate. Boy. Amazing.
Hey, where are you going? You can't leave me. We're buds. Look! Butter! Come back! Have a lick! We're still called the Wild Stubbies. You got that? Heads up, losers. Make way for the Wild Stubbies.
Little Rob, what are you and the Wild Grinders doing with Stubford?
Excuse me, the Wild Stubbies is for cool skater dudes only. And the last time I checked, you weren't any of those.
Like flips, skate, board.
Aren't you gonna eat her?
Don't eat good skaters.
Make wish.
Ow! I wish you'd never bought that cursed pumpkin at the pumpkin patch!
The one up the hill? They must have been cursed by the Dia de los Diablitos. We gotta get him back to the pumpkin patch. But first, who's up for some skate? No, you did not just beat me. You're not even alive.
Can we please go get the curse removed? I'm kind of in a jam here.
Stuffer jam.
No refunds.
Your cursed pumpkin turned my friends into zombies.
I knew I should have given them boys the cursed pumpkin manual.
You can remove the curse, right? I want my friends back.
But not all the way back. Maybe just turn them into vegetarian zombies. What? You can't break up the Wild Stubbies?
All the way back to normal. And with the right body parts?
Well, you're in luck. That there Dia de los Diablitos is what we call a sampler curse. Thing only lasts 12 hours, which should be right about...
You guys better listen. If you losers eat me, I swear, I'm still the leader of the Wild Grinders! We're still buds, right?
Man, what a crazy day. Thanks for the assist, Flips.
No worries. But you don't remember anything that happened to you, right? I mean, you were undead.
It's all a big blur. don't remember a single thing, except for beating you at skate, as a zombie, with one leg. I'm just glad everything's almost back to normal.
What do you mean, almost?
Welcome back to Ghost Trappers. I'm Chip Flickington, doing that thing that I do so well.
Chip Flickington!
My dentist nephew says this deserted house is haunted by ghosts.
Really? Haunted by ghosts, eh?
Hi, mister. Would you like to buy some snickerdoodles?
Caught you, ghost.
I'm not a ghost. I'm a sapling scout selling cookies to buy a new roof for the orphanage.
Ghosts don't need roofs or cookies. And you saw it. Chip Flickington drops another ghost on Ghost Trappers.
Chip Flickington!
Unbelievable. He finds a ghost every time.
And remember, if you get a video of a ghost, just send me money and sign away all your rights, and I'll put it on the show.
Ghosts must be 18 years or older or have legal consent of a dead parent or zombie guardian.
We are so getting a video on Ghost Trappers, and I know the perfect place to find a ghost. Voila! The creepy deserted mansion on the creepy hill in the middle of the creepy forest where all that creepy stuff happened. Ugh.
Whoa! It all sounds so normal. Did you see a ghost?
No, I stepped in a fresh biscuit. It ain't the kind you be having with gravy.
Sorry. This place is really scary.
Don't worry, we'll be safe with the brand new ectoplasmatic neutralize right about it. Oops, wrong pocket. We'll be safe with the brand new ectoplasmic neutralize right developed. It's still in development.
This place reminds me of my grandma's house. Except it smells better.
Is your grandma's house haunted? This house was built on top of an ancient Indian graveyard by a demonic mummified witch wearing a hockey mask who was devoured by a poltergeist that escaped from a mental institution during a prom where everyone read a text message that hypnotized them. And that text message said... Nice, Meaty. I knew that would be the scariest part.
It's a gift, and I'm a giver. Get your hands off my head!
Do you guys hear that?
It's the shrieking chorus of the undead, clawing at my very soul.
What are you kids doing here? It's a school night. Go home.
Where are we gonna sing? Our orphanage doesn't have a roof.
Start filming, Goggles. Leave the French shocker, I mean Ghost Trapper, to me. Maybe it isn't haunted. Nothing bad is happening to us yet. Eat air, Ghost. Oops. At least it didn't shock me.
Guys, I think I gotta go. I hear my mother calling. JJ, time to run away from this scary, scary house. Oh, you saw my lips move when I did the mom voice?
We can't leave until we get a video of a ghost for Ghost Trappers.
And we should try to find Spitball.
Sure, if we have time.
Oh, but there's Spitball, man! Come on, guys! This way!
No, I say, get out the other way. Don't kids never listen.
Let's split up! Y'all go this way! And I'll go this way!
Farmer. Dude made classic mistake number 1. Never say, I'll be right back. One more grinder to rescue. Your butt is mine, Ghost. Ow! Oops, wrong butt. But at least it didn't.
If we want to find our friends, we need to contact the dead. Silence! You lead a seance, you need to look the part. Now, let us contact those who have crossed over. Denizens of the spirit world, speak, speak! I hear your plaintive wail.
That's my tummy. Sorry. I think I ate a bad shoe this morning.
I see dead dudes. No, stay back.
Well, that didn't work out like we thought.
Oh, that's it. Dude just crawled up a wall. I'm so out of here later.
Fascinating technology. I wonder if it's hydraulic.
Whatever you do, don't push the board.
Oh no! It's not hydraulics. It's clearly spring-loaded.
Ooh.
A lollipop.
Oh, the house is in.
And that is why I don't use the toilet.
Dude, we're dropping like flies. Stay close and don't take our eyes off each other. Whew. I think we're gonna be all right. I knew I shouldn't have said that. Okay, Chip Fliggington, I'm gonna get you a video if my life depends on it. Wait, maybe I shouldn't have said it that way. Okay, Chip, I'm the last grinder left, and Ow! This is so much harder without goggles.
I'm coming for you, little rabbit. Just hang on a sec. This is totally killing the scare factor.
Never walk backwards in a haunted house. I knew that. Wait, JJ? Me? Emo? Are you guys okay?
We felt better.
Dude, after what I've seen, it'll take more than a hockey stick to scare me. Don't worry, guys. I'll get help. I'll be right back. Never say, I'll be right back. But it's not my birthday.
We know. See how surprised you are? We're good.
You faked this whole thing just to throw me a surprise birthday party? Amazing.
I
I created lots of new special effects. I used 5 boxes of paper clips.
We should have seen your face, man. We really had you going, man. Yeah, right out the front door.
It all looks so real. Especially the flaming skull.
Huh? What flaming skull?